I always pray that you're in good health. My question is, what is one piece of advice you have for the younger Khudam here in Singapore in terms of faith and spirituality?
Once somebody asked Hazrat Masih Maud Islam that how can you can give me an advice in one sentence. He said that fear Allah and do everything. If you have a fear of Allah, then you will not go astray. You cannot do bad things. You will always obey His commandments. You will always discharge your rights towards Allah Ta'ala and the rights you owe to your human being, to your fellow beings. So, if you have a fear of Allah, then you can do all the good deeds. And always remember that Allah is watching over us wherever we are. Okay?
Yes. Yes,
Okay. Jazakallah.